Hello guys, welcome to W3 Academy Technology at one place. In this video tutorial, I will be talking about our new course, that is web development. So let me clear first thing that there are lots of videos tutorials and many things are available on the internet and YouTube about web development. But 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 forget the traditional ways of learning web development, learning HTML, CSS, WordPress, PHP. So I will be sharing new ways of learning web development. I will be sharing best practices with you people, best practices of web development, how to use HTML, how to use CSS. So there are a lot of our tricks and tips and best practices will be available on this course. So uh, I will cover these four topics: HTML, CSS, WordPress, and PHP in this video course for web development. And in HTML, I will cover this HTML and HTML5. HTML is the very basic version of HTML, and HTML5 is very advanced version of HTML, hypertext markup language. That is a very basic of web development. So first we'll start from HTML, and after HTML we'll do CSS. In CSS we will start with CSS3. That is very a good language or a good thing to design our web page. And the other thing we will do after CSS3 is flexible box model. That is very good technique to design your web page. And after that, the amazing technology, the future of web designing, CSS grid. We will learn how to grid the web page. We will learn how to design a page by gridding the web page. So this is gonna be a best tutorial. So after CSS we are gonna learn WordPress. How can we develop our web page and using WordPress dynamically. So we'll do WordPress, and after WordPress we will start PHP. How hypertext preprocessor, how can we make our static website dynamic by using PHP. So we're gonna learn so much from this video course in a new and effective method. So don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any updates, and thank you for watching. Stay tuned.